All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Welcome to your speaking test for Academy Stars 1 for Unit 1 and 2. Are you ready?
Go.
Okay. So before we start, please introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Chi.
And how old are you? 3.
I'm 9 years old.
You are 9 years old. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay. And how are you today, 3? How are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you good today?
Are you happy today? Are you happy today?
I'm happy today.
I'm happy today.
Yes. Okay, nice to hear that you are happy today, 3. So we will now start your speaking test. So look at the screen, 3. So here in this part of your speaking test, please tell us what you can see or what the objects you can see in this picture. Okay, so please, yes, 3, you can use this, point and say.
He is a boy.
Okay, next.
He is a glue.
Blue.
Glue.
Okay.
He is a rapper.
All right.
She is a girl.
Okay.
It is a pencil. It is a backpack.
All right. Please wait. Yeah, please wait. Okay, please wait. Okay. How about this? Okay, how about this?
She is my teacher.
Okay, how about this 3?
It is a pen. It is a pencil. It is a wrapper.
All right.
It is a ruler.
And
it is a pencil case.
Very good, 3. Good job for the first part of your speaking test. Okay, you may now take your seat first. Take your seat, 3. Okay, so here in this part of your speaking test 3, so you will click the picture and move it. Then you will say, for example, it's a pencil. It's on the table. All right. So you can start. Okay, who is that 3? Who is that? He is
a boy.
All right. And the other one is?
She is a girl.
Very good. All right.
She is a teacher.
All right. And how about the other?
The glove is on
glue. The glue.
The glue is on the table.
Very good. Next.
The pen is on the table.
Great job, 3. Next.
The pencil is on the table.
All right.
The ruler is on the table.
All right.
The wrapper is on the table.
Great job.
The pencil is on the table.
Good.
The backpack is on the table.
Okay. And
the apple is on the table.
Yes, the apple is on the table. Good job, 3. So you may now take your seat. Please be seated. Yes, please sit down. Sit down now. Okay, so look at the picture 3. Okay, so here you will identify what picture is different or not belong to the group. You will say picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4. So look at the picture. Which one is not belong to the group? Yes, which one is not belong to the group 3?
Picture 4.
Is it picture 4? Which one is different, not belong to the group? So which is different?
Picture 3.
Picture 3. Why? What can you see in the picture?
It is an apple.
Yeah, so this is a fruit Picture 1, picture 2, picture 4 are school objects or school supplies. Okay, next, which one is different?
Picture 4.
What can you say about picture 4?
It is a
What's that? We can sit here. So it's a
sheep.
chair.
Tray.
Chair.
Tray.
Yes, okay, it's a chair. What is the color of the chair? Is it pink? Is it orange? Is it brown, black, white? It is
brown.
Yes, good job. It's brown. So you can say it's a brown chair.
Brown chair.
Yes, okay. How about this one? What is different or not belong to the group? Which
Picture 1.
Picture 1. What is picture 1? What can you see in the picture? It is
orange.
It is orange. Good job, 3. Orange. How about in this picture, which is not belong to the group?
Picture 3.
Picture 3 is different. Okay, that is
a pencil case.
Pencil case. So we are now in the last part of your speaking test 3. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. For the last part of your speaking test, you need to answer some question. All right. So look at the teacher. Look at me, 3. Look at me, okay, and I will ask you questions. So what is your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy
Is
cat.
It's
a cat.
car.
Car.
Yes. Okay. So your favorite toy is a car. Okay. So have you got a watch? Have you got a watch?
No.
I
haven't.
Yes. Can you say that again? No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
Good job. So which one do you like, yogurt or apples? Which one do you like, yogurt or apples? I
like yogurt.
Why do you like yogurt?
Yogurt. Money.
Yeah.
Yeah, money.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Again, yogurt is yummy.
Yogurt is yummy.
All right, good job. So have you got a pencil sharpener in your backpack? Do you have a pencil sharpener?
No.
No, I
haven't.
Okay, so tell me about your friend. Who is your best friend?
Best friend.
My
Leo.
My best friend?
My best friend, Leo.
Okay, your best friend is Leo. So Leo is funny or is he tall?
He is funny.
He is funny. So Leo got a rubber and a pen in his backpack? Okay, yes, your friend Leo has got a rubber and a pen?
No.
No, he hasn't.
No, he hasn't.
Okay, so tell me about your sister or brother. Do you have a sister? Do you have a sister? Do you have a sister?
Do you have
Do you have a sister?
do
you have a sister? You have a sister or you have a brother?
Sister.
Sister. Okay, so you have a sister. Your sister is big or small? She
is big.
Okay, she is big. Okay, very good. 3, keep on practicing. Okay, keep on practicing and you did a great job in your speaking test. Okay, so before we end your speaking test, let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.